following counties in New Jersey, Hunterdon and Somerset. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for the South Branch Raritan River at Stanton until late tonight or until the warning is canceled. At 5:15 a.m. Wednesday, the stage was 7.5 feet. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by this morning and continue to rise to near 9.0 feet by this afternoon. The river will fall below flood stage by this evening. Impact at 10.0 feet. Houses downstream begin to take on water.